Yeah, I'm Dr. Kalaivani. I'm working as an associate professor in Savita Engineering College. So I took this exam 4-week course as Python. The first time I'm learning programming. It was really good and very informative. I know the theoretical concept of data science, regression or linear. When I implement along with the program, it was really useful. And to take the class practically, I think it will be very helpful. It's very helpful for continuous learning, and they can improve their programming skills, and they can check their self whether they are up to the mark.
So hi, I'm Karthikeya Devarla and I'm a SRM University student. I'm a pre-final year BTech student. So the course what I have took is evolution towards air interface towards 5G. So it's actually an advanced mobile communication course. So it will be helpful for me in future through the certification. So doing this course would actually boost my specialization taking aspect. So if I show them these certificates related to NPTEL, they will accept me even better. See, IIT professors being IIT professors, they were really good. So I understood the topics well, their content of explanation and the way they were speaking, and their lectures were also really amazing, short, crisp and more conveyable. First and foremost thing, NPTEL course has a lot of weight, is certification course. If you get the certificate after completing it, then it might be for jobs, it might be for placements, it also might be for higher studies, it will help you a lot. That's what I have gone through after writing so many exams in NPTEL.
My name is M. Levin Prince. I did my undergraduation in mechanical engineering in LISET, Loyola IKM College of Engineering Technology. I just did my NPTEL exam in fundamentals of propulsion engineering. I just got my admission for masters in a subject called propulsion and energetics. So this is a subject which is regarding propulsion. So I just wanted to get to know the fundamentals. This course is more and more, it's about thermal management. It's completely about rocket fuels and what are the propellants you use and at what temperature it goes and all those things. And it's a very interesting subject. It's both in terms of chemical, in terms of thermodynamics. It's really a fantastic subject. I really loved the classes. It was really nice. It was a really good experience. This is one thing that I did is when I have doubt of which masters or which kind of scope I need to take, what I did is I just tried to browse different subjects. I take a course in that. At least I try to do a course in that. And if it's a subject of my interest, I get to know more about it, write an exam, and then I can choose a stream. If not, I can choose another stream. That's what I did. So I think that was a really interesting thing for me. And it was a very fantastic experience for me.
Myself is Manju. I'm working as assistant professor in artificial intelligence and data science in GKM College of Engineering and Technology. I have attended the course of Introduction to Machine Learning and Tamil, and I have learned very efficiently, and the course was very useful to learn about the machine learning concepts, learn some new technology from NPTEL. I took it in Tamil, so it's very useful for the learners. So the concepts, if the concept is very difficult, means if you're learning in our own tongue, means it is very nice to understand the concept and easy to understand the concept. Both students and assistant professors, whatever their designations, or even though working in IT sectors or in any organization, you can learn new technology from NPTEL, but you use it efficiently by watching all the videos. But put effort to learn it from the videos. Then only you can get better marks in NPTEL.
Myself Kirtana, I am from Wales University. I am working as an assistant professor. I am appearing for research methodology in NPTEL SWAYAM exam. You can get many sources from NPTEL. When you skip some subject, faculty are taking lectures, you just take that particular course from NPTEL and then study. You can get much knowledge from here. Essentially useful for all the students, faculties and everyone, lecturers or whoever in the academic profession. And you can get much knowledge as you expected. The certificate and credit score that you are giving is valuable for academician for their upliftment of a career and everything.
My name is Kavita K.A. I am currently pursuing BTech Information Technology in RMK Engineering College. I have taken the course Cloud Computing and Distributed System. In our academics, we learn the basics of fundamentals of cloud computing. Here we have learning advancements in cloud computing and distributed systems. It helps us to gain knowledges and skills in this field of cloud computing. Manage my timing by learning my academics in weekdays. Weekends I will be focusing more on NPTEL courses. NPTEL is a good course where you can pursue knowledges very easy and efficient way. It has many advancements in courses, and you can gain more insights about the domain you choose.
My name is Karen Thomas. I'm coming from Savita College of Occupational Therapy. The course I took is Basics of Mental Health and Psychiatry. It was actually a new experience. I've never done this before. It was a different experience. It was actually part of our course too, and was very well helpful in the way they taught, and so we dedicate time for NPTEL as well. So at the end of the day, we have to do assignments and take special time to actually do it. Set apart some time to study because it will actually help you.